So for today's video, I'm going to show you what are the materials of my bacteria cell. A quick discussion about my bacteria cell. First is the cell wall, found in the outer surface of the cell membrane to protect the bacteria. Next is the capsule. Act with a shield protection that protects the bacteria against the phagocytosis and helps also the bacteria and head to surfaces. And it is important to virulence factor since the strains that lack the capsule are less virulent. Next are the plasma membrane, which is the most important layer because it encloses with cytoplasm, which a gel substance composed with mainly water that also contains cell components and enzymes and molecules. If the plasma membrane is removed, the cell contents spill in the environment, the cell is no longer exists. Next is the cytoplasm. There are scattered cell components such as ribosomes which site protein synthesis. These ribosomes can be found spread all over the cytoplasm when they produce proteins that are distant or they can attach to plasma membrane. Another structure that can be found in cytoplasm is the nucleoid. Nucleoid, which is an irregular shaped region that contains the cell. Next is the plasmid. These are small double-stranded DNA molecules that can exist independently of the chromosome, and they can be circular or linear. Plasmids have relatively few genes, and the genetic information is not essential to bacteria and cells. Lack them usually functional normally. However, plasmid contains genes that confer advantage to bacteria, such as resistance to antibiotics. Ribosomes are microscopic factories found in all cells, including bacteria. They translate the genetic code from the molecular language of nucleic acid to that of amino acids. The building blocks of proteins. Proteins are the molecules that perform all the functions of cell and living organism. Next is the bacteria flagellum. It's primarily organelle that enables movement. Bacteria can have one flagellum or several, and they can be either polar, one or several flagella at one spot, or petricious, several flagella all over the bacterium. Next is the pili. Pili is a hair-like appendage found on the surface of many bacteria. Dozens of these structures can exist on the bacteria. Some bacteria versus are bacteriophages attached to receptors on pili at the start of their reproductive cycle. Pili are antigenic.
This is the finished product of my bacteria cell. Included the cytoplasm, ribosome, nucleoid, pili, plasmid, cell wall, plasma membrane, capsule, and bacteria flagellum.